It's hard to get sick, especially nowadays. As a Chief Human Resources Officer, I can relate to my employees' struggles whenever they are hospitalized because of an illness or an accident.
A typical experience of our employees, despite having an HMO plan, is that they need and ask for additional financial support. Some even get loans. I remember a story of one of our employees. Even after one of their dependents passed away, they had to pay for non-medical expenses that were not covered by the HMO.
There are employees who use all of their sick leave credits before the year ends. Although we have support programs that will respond to situations like this, it would be great to give additional health benefits to ensure that employees are supported in crucial health situations.
Maxicare, the leading healthcare provider in the country, offers Maxicare Hospicash. It is a daily hospital income and personal accident benefit, an enhancement to your Maxicare HMO plan. When you get hospitalized, you can get as much as 5,000 pesos hospital income benefit per day, and your pre-existing conditions are covered. Hospicash can help support you on the days when you don't work to help cover lost income or other non-medical expenses. Maxicare Hospicash offers more. You get as much as 100,000 pesos personal accident benefit per year on top of the daily hospital income benefit for accidental death and dismemberment. Maxicare Hospicash is ideal for corporate employers and HR heads like Joe and Nino, so they can give the best care possible for their employees. Claim your daily hospital income benefit in just 3 easy steps. 1. When you get hospitalized, the Maxicare inpatient specialist will inform you if you have a Maxicare Hospicash coverage upon your admission. No documents needed. 2. You or your representative should fill out a Maxicare Hospicash form provided by the Maxicare inpatient specialist. 3. You will get your Maxicare Hospicash daily hospital income benefit in the bank account that you provided. It's that easy. You may also claim your personal accident benefit in 3 easy steps. 1. Email Maxicare claims at allianzpnblife.ph for your claim request. 2. Submit the required documents. And 3. Receive your personal accident cash benefit.
This is a great help for the company and employees to have peace of mind.
Maxicare Hospicash, recovery made easy. For more information, reach out to your Maxicare Health Benefit Executive or send an inquiry.